Hello everybody from Dubai. We are still at Gulfood Manufacturing 2023. We are now at the booth of the Italian company Tropical Food Machinery, and we are going to meet the sales director, Guido Diemmi. It's always a pleasure to meet the Tropical Food Machinery around the world. We met them at Cibustec in Parma last week, and now we met them in Dubai at Gulfood Manufacturing. Hi Guido.
Hi Sonia.
Which kind of tropical food processing lines you are proposing to the local markets? For local markets, let's say, yes, Middle East, but also Asia and Africa, because Dubai is an hub, no?
Yes, right. In fact, Dubai is very important for us because it's a meeting point for many customers coming from the Far East, coming from India, and coming also from Africa. We propose our multi-fruit lines. Of course, the main fruits in this case are pineapple, mango and banana. For pineapple and mango, we can offer our best technology. As instance, for pineapple, our extraction plants can guarantee a very high yield compared to all other machines that you can find on the market. We talk about 65% of yield in juice. Without pressing the skin of the pineapple. This means that we can offer the high quality that you can find with very compact machines, with a low energy consumption and a very easy maintenance. And then of course we have also machines for banana, for guava, for many other kind of fruits, and tomato as well.
So let's remind to our audience that it's all quality made in Italy.
Yeah, of course we are designers and manufacturers, so we don't buy and sell machines, but we sell only the machines that we manufacture in our workshop.
So in a few words, we can say that Tropical Food Machinery is very focused on sustainability, efficiency and high quality of the technology.
Yes, of course we invest much money in research and development because we know that every year we have to propose new machines and new solutions for the market if we want to be the leaders. That's why, for instance, we recently added a peeling machine for banana in our range. We recently installed two of these machines in a very big plant of very important customers in Philippines, and we are ready now to propose it to the world market. It is a machine that really can change something in banana processing because, as you can understand, the automatic peeling brings higher efficiency, higher quality, and of course high saving of money in terms of manpower.
So let's come back to the exhibition. Today is the second day of Gulfood Manufacturing. The fair is quite busy, and Tropical Food Machinery is attending to a very huge number of exhibitions all over the world. Guido, could you tell us which will be the next exhibitions you are going to be attending in the 2024?
Yes, we will attend Propak Philippines in February, and then Fruitlogistica in Berlin, and finally Anuga Food Tech. Yeah.
So, as usual, we will meet you at Fruitlogistica in Berlin. Thank you to Guido and thank you to Tropical Food Machinery.